How to use Instagram to grow your email list. Instagram is a very popular social media site that can help you market your business effectively. But did you know it can also be an ideal way to grow your email marketing list? Why Instagram? This is a massively popular visually based social network. It is now owned by Facebook and they have big plans for it, making it an ideal opportunity to help you grow your business. Instagram marketing versus email marketing. It is great to have a lot of followers on Instagram, but nothing comes close to beating email when it comes to building relationships with your target audience and offering the chance to make regular sales. Unlike the more popular social websites, people don't visit Instagram every day. Even if they did, they would probably not notice your content in the feed due to the overwhelming amount of posts they have received since the last visit to the website. With email, no matter what happens, you have your subscribers' contact information, and that means you are able to market to them whenever you wish. In order to get subscribers to your list, you need to stand out from the crowd by offering something of real value that your target audience will be eager to get. Create an exciting free item. Brainstorm some of the main problems people in your niche face. Decide on one topic and write a special report or short ebook about it, or create a 7-day e-course. Make it so interesting and invaluable to your target audience that they will think you are the best thing since sliced bread. They will gladly give you their email address in exchange for such a free gift. Depending on your niche, other valuable free items could include, but not be limited to, recipe books, buyer's guides, a special coupon, and more. Create a web page that describes the item, add a sign-up form from your email marketing service, and drive your traffic to that page. Send all your Instagram traffic to an outstanding landing page. Create a landing page that helps develop brand awareness. Tell people who you are, what you do, and why you are worth paying attention to. Make the landing page attractive, with a range of links to help your followers learn more. Track the success of the page in terms of the amount of traffic that visits and what people do once they get there. Keep the links that get the most clicks and create more links until you find others that appeal to your Instagram audience, and do whatever is in your power to keep them at your site. Have a clear call to action in your site profile. Don't leave your audience to guess what they are supposed to do. Put your free offer or your landing page URL in your profile and give a clear call to action, such as download your free ebook now or click here to learn more. It's imperative you tell them what to do, but always in a polite yet authoritative manner. Link the topic using the URL of the landing page you have created. Create a great profile. You never get a second chance to give a good first impression, so be sure your profile is as detailed as possible. Always answer the question of why people should do business with you or pay attention to what you have to offer. Check out what others in the same niche say, and then make sure you can offer much more along with a super service. Now that we have covered these quick and easy ways to grow your list with Instagram, try them out and see how fast you can grow your list.